Hi everyone, this is Tamu. Welcome to my channel, The Cloud Security Guy. In case you're new here, talk on a weekly basis about things like cloud security, artificial intelligence, and general cybersecurity career advice. So today is a type of a special video. I'm not talking about a very new topic, but this is a free preview for my course, which I've just launched, which is the Medium for Beginners course. Now, Medium, if you're not aware, it's a very powerful platform. It's like a blogging platform. Anybody can go and start writing there. It is a very, very powerful platform to create your brand as an expert in the industry. You can earn money, you can get like positions, you can get consulting opportunities. I mean, a lot of people are not aware just how powerful this platform is and how to use it properly. This is why I've made this course. So this is a free preview of that. So let's take a look. Hi everyone, my name is Taimur Lal. Welcome to this course, which is Medium for Beginners, how to succeed on Medium platform. Welcome to this course, and I'm going to be teaching you how to succeed on Medium, how to succeed on this amazing platform, which is there for writing. I'm a big fan, as you can see, of Medium, and I think it's quite possibly one of the best platforms to launch your writing career. And just even write, even if you're just a casual writer, you don't have long-term plans to have a writing career, I still think Medium is an amazing platform where you should have a presence. Honestly, the amazing thing about Medium is it can give you like uh, amazing visibility over the internet. I mean, it can build your brand, you can reach out to people, and it can be a launching pad for to build your portfolio, your business, and your writing skills. And all the while you can get paid also. So honestly, there is no other blogging platform where it's so easy for beginners to pick up and start writing and easily earning money from whether it's $1 or $1,000. So Medium is quite simply amazing in this regard. But first of all, you might be asking, okay, why? Why should I write on the internet? David Perel, if you've heard of him, he said something that words are the atomic unit of the internet. Writing is like weightlifting for the brain. So just as you'll improve your food diet if you start cooking, you will improve your information diet if you start writing. The more you write, the more you will learn, and the more people you will connect with. With a single article, you can honestly build your network, improve your thinking, and create opportunities for yourself. The internet, it used to connect us with people in our past. Writing online connects you with people in your future. People, if you write online, it is a guaranteed way to shrink your world. Well written article can change your life because the internet rewards people who write on it and who think well. Articles on the internet, I say they're like little marketing tools. They will live on the internet and they will go out like robots. Okay, they will connect with people who want to meet you, give you money, consulting opportunities, writing opportunities, freelancing opportunities. Maybe your future employer is going to see an article and say, hey, this guy looks like he knows what he's talking about. Let me hire him for a project. So each post is like an advertisement for these sort of people and opportunities you want to attract. If you can write, you can build a platform for yourself. And honestly, if you look at the most successful people, they double as writers. Chefs, they write recipes, comedians write jokes, entrepreneurs, they write business plans. Like examples are like limitless. So that is the reason you should write on the internet. And if you agree with this, like you want to write on the internet, then the best way to do that, honestly, is through Medium, the best and the most easiest way. So if you're not familiar with Medium, medium.com is basically the best example I can tell you. It is like the YouTube of writing. So just like YouTube, if you join Medium and write amazing articles, then you can create content, flex your creative muscles, and most awesomely, you can earn money. When people who like your stories, they engage with it, they read your contact, and they subscribe to you. And the more you write, the better you engage, the more money and the more clout you can get on the platform. It is honestly the best platform on the right now on earth for writers. I mean, in all my years of writing, I've never seen anything like it, which is so easy to do. And most people find me through Medium. Honestly, they read my articles on Medium, they want to connect, they want to enroll in my courses, they want to buy my books. So that's why it's so awesome. You can engage with it, you can create your own platform, you can create your own visibility, and the same thing can happen to you also. And as you grow, the more you write and you become more successful, Medium will start to help you out if you put in the work. And this course will teach you how to do that, to create quality material and get a bit of momentum. The Medium algorithm is going to help you out. And if you're just starting out, you don't know anybody, supposing this is the first time you've written on the internet, Medium has a built-in audience. It cuts out the pressure of looking out, setting up, maintaining your own blog, trying to get traffic to the blog. If you just write good, the Medium algorithm will help you out. So it's a great place to get started for beginners. And if you're already a professional, you already have a blogging presence online, I mean, this is a great way to further build your what do you call your presence online, to build your brand. So I hope you understood now. And why should you write on Medium? Like I said earlier, just to summarize, I mean, you can get amazing potential there. First of all, is your brand. You can create your brand outside of your 9 to 5 job. I always tell people, please do not always rely on your 9 to 5 job. Don't just rely on that. Always have a backup plan. Also have another opportunity, some side income, some passive income you can rely on. Okay. And when you create your own brand, you won't believe what happened. You will get publications reaching out to you, companies will reach out to you for freelance work, like people will reach out to give you money. Like that's pretty amazing. You're not reaching out to them, they're reaching out to you. You might get book deals. Okay, maybe all your articles you can create an ebook and put it on a platform like Gumroad and earn money from that, publishers and all that. So list is endless. And you can get job opportunities. Like I tell you, some people are there, some of the smartest people on planet are on Medium, right? They might come across your article and say, hey, this guy looks like somebody I want to pay money with, I want to hire this guy. So that's how it is amazing. And of course, income, like I said, Medium has a built-in audience, right? Like back in the day, if you wanted to build a like a audience, you will have to create your own blog, write 20, 30 posts, do search engine optimization, which can drive you crazy, right? You promote it on social media. You had to be a great marketing guy on top of being a good writer. But now you don't have to worry about that. Medium already has millions and millions of readers and increasing per month. It is one of the most highly trafficked websites in the world. I think it's one of the top rated websites, also in the top 100, definitely. So your articles can be there, your stories can be there, and you can get paid directly for writing. Uh, so you can write, what do you call, you can write articles and you can use it as like a launching pad. Okay. Most bloggers I've seen, they don't like the back end jobs, like creating a blog, doing marketing and all that. All those things you don't have to worry about. You just have to write good articles, and that's it. And with things like the Medium Partner Program, you can get paid directly based on how much Medium people are reading your articles. That's it. You can do what you love and you can get paid. At the same time, you can create your own brand and you can get job opportunities. So after listening me talk ramble on like this, you might be thinking, wow, this sounds awesome. I definitely want Medium. And if you're okay with it, then this is the course for you. So Medium, writing on Medium is not rocket science. I mean, I would love to tell you that it's like a special thing which only I can teach you. No, it's pretty simple, but I can help you avoid some of the mistakes which a lot of new people make and which I made, honestly. So what will this course give you? You'll get a complete overview of the Medium platform, how to get into that mindset, which is very important. A lot of people, they get excited, they do it, maybe write 2 or 3 stories, they don't get success, they give up. And I'll tell you the tips how to get into the mindset and how to succeed, and of course how to get money, how to make money on Medium, how you can actually use Medium as a way to earn some income also. Why not? Everybody loves to have money, right? So that is what you will get with this course. So first of all, about me. After you've heard all this, okay, who am I? My name is Taimur Ijlal. I have like around 2 decades of experience in technology and risk. I'm like also an author. I'm a blogger. I'm an instructor also. I do career coaching. I have a YouTube channel called the Cloud Security Guy, on which I talk about things like cloud security, artificial intelligence, and general career advice. I try to help out people. I'm trying to give back to the community as much as I can. So a little bit of my journey. I was in the industry for several years. I won a few awards here in the Middle East, where I lived for about a decade. Then I moved to the UK because I was awarded a global talent visa. I recently just published a book on AI cybersecurity with 2 more planned. And like I said, I've moved to the UK. I'm currently based out of London. And why am I talking about this? Because this does not seem like my specialty, but no, I have been writing for the past, I think, 12 years. It has always been one of my favorite things to do, and I like to try to give back and spread this knowledge as much as possible. And I'm trying to encourage as much people as possible to write. So, and when it comes to writing, I mean, I've been doing, like I said, I've coached a lot of people about writing. When it comes to writing, people usually have 3 problems, 3 myths they have, or problems. First myth is that they think about themselves like this, that they're not a writer. Okay, that's what they tell me. I'm not a writer. I've never written before. Well, okay, no worries. Nothing makes you a writer except writing. I wasn't a writer until I started writing. I had the same thing. I started writing for a magazine. I wrote one article and I couldn't believe they accepted it. Then wrote another one, and I wrote for 4 years for that section. And only after that I realized, okay, I am a writer somewhere halfway through. So if you have access to the internet and you can write a sentence, nothing is stopping you from becoming a writer except you start have that identity. I'm a writer now, and you can start it. So myth two. Myth, every year a lot of people come to me and they say the same thing, that okay, YouTube is finished now, digital courses are finished, Medium is finished, Fiverr is finished, all these are saturated, there are like billions of people there. nobody can make money now, and all the while other people are making millions and millions every year on these platforms. Why? Why? Because they take positive action. They don't let all the negative topic affect them, and they just start working on it and see, and they know slowly by slowly this compounding effect comes in, and what you do, it builds upon itself, and you will see that results of your success. So please do not let negative people drag you down. Don't think like that. Just take positive action and start it. And lastly, I heard, which is I always find it a little bit funny. People say, "Man, I'm not an expert." Much more smarter people than me, they have already written on every topic. Why would anybody be interested in me? What if people find out I'm writing and make fun of me? I mean, come on, nobody cares about that, guys. If you are maybe like a technology person, okay, then you definitely can communicate that things, right? You communicate it to your staff, your fellow co-workers. You can definitely communicate that. And I hate to tell you this, but people, they are not interested in the messages. They're interested in how the message is conveyed, how you teach them. Maybe you're teaching them the same thing they've heard a million times before, but the way in which you're writing or teaching them, that is something they had not heard before, and they will get motivated by this. Okay. So you will never know unless you start. Like I said, you do not have to be the only thing that will make you a writer is being a writer. Start writing. It is not too late to succeed. You can start today and see the positive action. And what do you call? You do not have to be an expert. Okay, nobody will care about you writing. You will have full freedom. I can assure you, you write every week for 1 year. You will look back after 12 months and say, thank God I started writing. That was the best decision I made. Okay, so do not wait for that and start writing right away. Okay, so I hope this motivated you guys. Let's get started. And I hope I gave you a good overview. So let's get started now. Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you guys, as a project, I want you to write a story on Medium and share the link. I will review it and I will confirm. I promise you, I'll give you feedback on the same. Just share it across to me and I'll let you have feedback. And if it's good, I will even share it on the platform and get you more visibility. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope that worked. Okay, so let's move on to the next chapter and I'll talk to you about Medium. What is Medium and how it works. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next section. Okay, guys, I hope that was useful for you. So I'm putting a link there in the comment section and in the description. Check it out, please. You can go there and you can just rent this course for $2. Believe me, it's worth it. $2 is nothing. You can rent it out for you don't have to buy this course. Just rent it out for 30 days and try to apply the principles which I'm talking about. I can guarantee you, you will not regret it. If you're a person in cybersecurity or even technology, a lot of people do not realize just how beneficial Medium is and how writing can help your career in the long run. So just check it out. It's just $2. I'm not making any money out of this. Okay, I'm not getting rich from this. So please do check it out and let me know. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you next week.